and take a sip of your cocktail. That's delicious. And then you'll put your cocktail down and have a seat on the couch. And just let them look at you. Oh, I look so pretty. Look, I'm wearing stockings. And just give them a little peek of your stockings. And then give them a little peek of your shoulder. Just let your shoulder fall out of your robe. And then stand back up. And make a big production out of undoing your robe. Really play with the straps on your robe. Let them just fall open, one at a time. Just like that. Just so a little bit of your center opens, but you can't see everything yet. And then turn around. Drop your ribbons and open your robe away from who you're dancing for.